Today's lesson is dividing polynomial. Here you have an example 6x cubed plus 7x squared plus 12x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 1. So when you set this up, make sure that the left side should be inside. One more time. The left side, this is the left, should be the inside, and the right side should be the outside. One more time. Left, go inside. Right, go outside. Okay, one more time. Left, go inside. Right, go outside. And before you can divide, make sure you follow this rule that they have to be in order from the inside and outside. One more time. The polynomial must be in order inside and outside. And this is what I meant. Inside, this is third power, this is second power, this is first power, and this is zero power. One more time. In order means biggest power goes first and then to the smallest. So third power, second power, first power, zero power. Inside and also outside. Okay, remember it has to be inside and also outside. Again, the order must be in, the polynomial must be in order inside and also outside. Okay, so if you look at the outside, it's just one power and zero power. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. Again, make sure it is in order. The power must be in order inside polynomial and also outside polynomial. Now, when you divide this, it is very similar to when you were in grade school. So here we go. 3 go into 6 how many times? One more time. 3 go into 6 how many times? One more time. 3 go into 6 how many times? Of course it's 2, because 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, one more time. 3 go into 6 how many times? Okay, next, here you have x cubed. Over here you have 1x. So therefore I need x squared. One more time. This is x cubed. This is 1x. So to make them the same, I need to add 2 more. One more time. This is cube. This is 1. So I need 2 more to make the same. Okay. So now multiply this whole thing right here that I am circling. Multiply this to 3x. So 2 times 3 give me 6. X squared, 1x, x cubed. Now be very careful. A lot of us forget to multiply with this. We tend to multiply to the first, and then the second one, the second term we forget. Okay, so x squared. So one more time. 2 times 3 gives me 6. X squared times x, x cubed. 2 times -1, -2. X squared times -1 is just x squared. Okay, so one more time. 2 times 3 gives me 6. X squared times x, x cubed. X squared 2 times -1, -2. And then x squared times 1 is just x squared. Okay, so make sure you know where the 2 come from, because 3 go into 6 2 times. Make sure you know where x squared comes from. This is x cubed. This is 1x. So I need 2 more to make x cubed. One more time. This is 1x. This is x cubed. So I need 2 more of x to make x cubed. And that's where the 2x squared comes from. After you multiply, one more time. 2 times 3 is 6. X squared and x cubed. 2 times 1 is -2. X squared times 1, x squared. Okay, now after you multiply, you must change the sign. One more time. After you multiply, you must change the sign, which I wrote right here. Change the sign. So plus become minus, minus become plus. One more time. After you multiply, okay, after you multiply 2x squared to this polynomial, make sure you change the sign. Remember to change the sign, okay? So once you change the sign, 6x cubed cancel. 7 plus 2 gives me 9. One more time. 6 subtract 6 is gone. 7 plus 2 gives me 9. Okay? Next, bring down the 12x. Bring down the 12x. So one more time. 6 subtract 6 is gone. 7 subtract 7 plus 2 gives me 9. Okay? Bring down the 12x. One more time. Bring down the 12x. Now repeat this whole process again. 3 go into 9 how many times? One more time. 3 go into 9 how many times? Which is 3. One more time. 3 go into 9, which is 3. Why this is plus? Because this is plus, okay? Just like the 2. Why the 2 is plus? Because the 6 is plus, okay? So one more time. Why this is plus 3? Because this right here is plus, okay? Just like how 2 is. Why 2 is plus? Because the 6 is plus, okay? So one more time. 3 go into 9 how many times? 3 times. Here I have x squared. Here I have an x. I need one more x to make x squared. One more time. This is x squared. This is 1x. I need one more x to make x squared. And that's where the 3x comes from. One more time. 3 go into 9 3 times. This is x squared. This is 1x. I need one more x to make x squared. Okay? So now multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x, x squared. Okay? 3 times -1 is -3. And then x times 1 is just 1x. Okay? So one more time. 3x right here times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times -1, -3x. Okay? Again, after you multiply, remember to change the sign. Okay? After multiply, change the sign. So plus becomes minus, minus become plus. Okay? Why do we change the sign? So that we can cancel. Okay? Again, we change the sign so that we can cancel. So 9 subtract 9 disappeared. 12 plus 3, 15. 12 plus 3, 15x. Okay? Now bring down the -5. So bring down the -5. Okay? Repeat this whole entire process again. Before we go any further, one more time. 9 subtract 9 is 0. 12 plus 3 gives me 15. Okay? 12 plus 3 gives me 15. Bring down the -5. Okay? Now repeat this whole entire process again. 3 go into 15 how many times? One more time. 3 go into 15 how many times? Of course it's 5. Okay? Here you have 1x. Here you have 1x. So you don't need any more x's. You already have enough. Okay? So 3 go into 15 5 times. Here you have 1x. Here you have another x right here. It's already the same. You don't need any more. Okay? So that's the reason why there's no x on the 5 after the 5. Okay? Because you already have enough. Here's 15x. And here's another x, 3x. So we don't need any more x's because we have enough already. That is the reason why we don't need another x at the end of the 5. Okay, so be very careful. All right, multiply. So here we go. 5, okay, so 5 times 3x, 15x. 5 times -1, -5. One more time. 5 times 3x, 15x. 5 times -1, -5. Okay? Remember to change the sign. you have to change the sign. So plus into minus, minus into plus. And this one, 15 subtract 15 is gone. Negative 5 plus 5, it's 0. Okay, so this is our remainder. This is our remainder right here. This is our remainder. So this is how you write your answer. So make sure you put this right here where I'm circling. Make sure you put this. This is our answer. Okay, again, this is our answer right here. So that's what I have down here. Remainder, there is no remainder, so you put 0 over the divisor, the 3x minus 1, which is here. Okay, so one more time. This is our answer right here. This is our answer, so you put it here. Remainder, there's no remainder, so 0 over the divisor. Okay, so 0 over that. If there is a remainder, let's say minus 3, so you put minus 3 here, and so on. Okay, one more time. Here, this is the remainder, so remainder should be on top of the divisor. If there is other remainder, let's say this was minus 3. Pretend that this is minus 3. You would put minus 3 here. Okay, so that's how you do the divisions, polynomial divisions, okay, or dividing polynomial. Okay.